Okay, the Savage brothers are back, along with cousin John. We're doing a drag race off of 8th, 3, 4, and 5. All AstroCams, all A83 motors. 3, 4, and 5 are selected. Bank A is selected. Pad is armed. Starting countdown for the drag race in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Heads up, there's AstroCams everywhere. Good. Okay, it's the Savage brothers and cousin John back again. Pad A4, 5, and 6. Flying AstroCams on B44s this time. Drag racing. 4, 5, and 6 are selected. A4, 5, and 6. We are clear to B altitude. Cameras running in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Pretty close to all the same time, and there's rockets everywhere in the sky. And we have 3 parachutes. Heads up, I don't think the high one is going to make it to the parking area, but it looks like, yeah, it's going to be pretty close to the parking area. So Dan versus Darren, the original 2 on A6 and 7. We are good to be altitude in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. And we're up. And 2 shoots. Good flight.
Oh, yours is all tangled.
You can go to A3 where model rocket range is told.
Looks like it's
So
falling
you gotta go
in a
to
nice way.
C2. 3, 4, and 5. You know who this is.
We're back.
They're back. Dan, Daryl, and Uncle or cousin John, flying their AstroCams on B44s. A3, 4, and 5 are selected. Everybody wave at the cameras in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Whoops.
Yeah.
You know who they are. Flying with B motors this time. 4, 5, and 6 are enabled. A bank is enabled. Starting in countdown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
Uh-oh. 3. I heard 3.
I heard 3.
Don't get a parachute, though.
Heads up, we have a rocket not deployed parachute.
Not cooperating.
Not cooperating, that worked, that's right. We have 1 coming down in the parking lot area.
Who's? Good job.
right there. Everybody's picking on my truck if they're going that way.